I traveled to the Custer State Park in South Dakota to see the buffaloes, but it was the donkeys who I saw first. Well, I guess it takes one jackass to know another, and stay tuned for more. As I drive into the 71,000 acre park with all the rolling plains and the open ranges calling me to discover with anticipation around each curve, I am amazed at the natural beauty of western South Dakota. However, I'm here today to get my first glimpse of wild buffalo in the Custer State Park, which is second in the number of bison in North America, as only Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming has more. Speaking of buffalo, at one time on the Great Plains of North America, there were 30 million, and some herds as long as 25 miles long. Today, as I drive the 18-mile loop, I might be lucky to see 100. Along the 18-mile loop road, in search for my first herd of buffalo, I stopped to admire the rolling hills and the endless plains. If I ever came back as an American bison, I would think that Custer State Park would be high on my list of places to live. A buffalo here is protected year-round and have plenty of grass or hay to eat. Would you agree with me? This is my second grouping of buffalo spotted, and talking to other visitors, I just must have missed them crossing the road about 15 minutes earlier. Please excuse the video taken from my smartphone, as it is not as sharp as I would like, and I apologize. As I was leaving the park, I came upon an appealing image of a stone bridge along the roadway and a small creek, and I decided to stretch my legs and just spend a few minutes with nature. Well, hello. You know, it occurred to me that I haven't showed any videos of one of the main reasons why I purchased this particular model, and that is the lagoon table up at the front. In this particular case, I have the driver's seat turned around, not a total 180. I've got the passenger seat moved forward, and I've got this wonderful table where I can have some oatmeal. I actually was going to have some hot oatmeal, but I can't figure out the microwave. I don't have a manual. That's kind of the theme of this week, is I don't have an owner's manual on a lot of this stuff, which I should have and I need to get and will get, but I don't have a manual. So I'm actually going to try raw oatmeal with just water and see how it tastes. You know, actually, when you're hungry as heck, that's pretty damn good. Not far from Custer State Park, and before you arrive to Mount Rushmore, I came upon a fort, and I think it's a replica of Fort Laramie, which I thought was in Wyoming. I could not locate it on any map, and if anyone from the local South Dakota area can provide me some details, I would be open to your comments. With regards to my visit to Custer State Park, I was disappointed not to witness the buffaloes up close and personal. As I was booking a hotel room, as I was flying back to Florida, the next day it turns out that the annual Buffalo Roundup was taking place that same day. This year's event, even with COVID, they had set a record of over 20,000 participants. I will have some links of actual video taken of this huge event under the Show More data. If you like this video and got some value, please hit the like button, and if you don't want to miss the next video, hit the subscribe button.